Hey, Scotty.
So, I was able to...
God, you are all over the place right now.
So, this was... Can you get that on camera? I mean, is it actually showing up? All the pitting and the marks and all of that. I didn't spend a whole lot of time, but just to show what we can do.
Wow. That's impressive.
So, I mean, it'll take me a little bit longer, but I guarantee you, us doing the little pieces like this is going to be a whole lot cheaper than...
Especially if they're...
Yeah, exactly, you know?
Zones here.
So I was like, all right, cool, you know. I still got more to do, but I just wanted to show real quick.
All right, so be right back. So Scotty wanted to show real quick here, and then we're going to do a little demo here in a minute. All right, so...
Can you see those scratches right there?
Yes.
Okay. And these are actual pits and marks in the tin. So we don't want to go too aggressive because we'll mess everything up.
That's a pretty deep pit, though.
Yeah, it is. So I may be able to salvage this one. I've got other sanding blocks that I can go a little more aggressive on it. Okay. And this is just to give a quick...
You can already see that kind of coming out.
Yeah. So, I mean, like I said, I can go a little more aggressive, but I don't want to go too much because then it's back down 3 steps and then come up 4 steps.
Yeah, because if it's too pitted,
yeah, it's just gonna
we might have to be replaced.
So,
Watch Scotty polish your...
and I'm not going to do it on, well, no, I should probably do some small piece. Like I said, this is just a quickie, just enough to show a little bit of an example of what we could do.
Demonstration.
I mean, I've got to go a little bit more. Let me go a little bit more real quick. So now we're showing up some of the other stretch marks on the metal.
Let's see.
Or over the years. Okay, let me get that cleaned up to get the residue off. You can already see. So, I mean, it would need a little bit more, but I mean, I can actually see your face in that reflection.
Yeah. Way nicer. Look at that.
I mean, it'll take a little bit. It's not I didn't do a perfection job on it, just enough to show that, because it would need more, so I'd probably have to go down to maybe 800.
This big nick, though, is...
Well, I can try, like I said, it's not, there's no
denting.
Yeah, when you look in, this side, well, no, there is a little, right in front of my finger, just a little bit.
And
that coincides with the ding.
Yeah.
So it would be, gently tap that out, sand it to get it better. But I mean, this would be, well, actually, I don't know if it'd be cheaper to go to them or for me to spend what could be hours and hours, but that would be all of the trim pieces like this, completely polished, sanded, scuffed, you know, and redone. But you can see a lot of the scratches here on the metal.
I'm
You
curious
can
to see if
feel this one.
Yeah. This might be just a replacement.
Very possible. But yeah,
We'll
I'll
have
work
to
on
make-
this piece a little bit later.
Well, yeah, we'll get everything sorted and we'll go, okay, probably replace, or repair
Yeah.
all the bright work and go through case by case basis.
Yep.
All right. Thank you, Scotty.
Not a problem.